him speeding. Here are two of the New York State Police Motor Unit. Dave Hendrickson, I believe the other one is Kareem Washington. They are after Mike. He was speeding in the aircraft coming down the taxiway. They're limited to 20 miles an hour, and he was doing much more than that. Got the sirens on. Mike, you better open the canopy and get out and chat. Oh, don't smoke them out, Mike. Come on. The chase is on.
That's pretty cool. Just
they didn't catch him.
Oh, Mike just toasted them. Smoked them out, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the New York State troopers there in the Motor Patrol. Mike Wiskus, believe it or not, bought this airplane on eBay. Brought it home, modified it to his own specifications. It's very light, ladies and gentlemen. It only weighs about 1,200 pounds. It's got a 380-some horsepower engine in it, which makes it really move. Upside down, right down the runway, is Mr. Michael Wiskus. He knew what he wanted to do early on because when he was 10 years old, his dad